Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while since I've been here. Honestly, I've been feeling so under the weather because I've been traveling a lot. But my main focus in today's video is how to get this gold smoky eye using my favorite products right now. So if you guys want to see how I got it and what products I use, just keep on watching. First, I'm going to go in and prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in 50WY. So I just apply it lightly to my eyes and then blend out with my beauty blender. This process, you can actually use any concealer or even the MAC paint pot if you wanted. And you just want a clean, solid base, so the pigment on the eyeshadow is better. I'm then gonna go ahead and set my eyes with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in 2 medium. I like setting anything that's liquid and cream with powder. So today we'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. Big buffing crease brush. I'm going to go into the shade Birch and apply the color to my eyes. You want to apply this color above your crease and blend it outward. I feel like the color Birch is the perfect crease shade. It's very light. It's a great transition color if you need a color to blend in colors. I just like going into the color and slowly blending it out into my eye. The trick is you want to apply the color to your brush and then hit it off so the excess comes off so you have less fallout. I usually do my eyes first anyway, so even if there is fallout you can just clean it. Once you're happy with the blend, you can move on to the next color. So I'm going to go into the color Twig, dust off the excess, and apply this color below the original crease color. Just adding more depth to your crease, and I still flick outwards. I do feel like I overly blend my eyeshadow. I just keep going until I feel like it's completely even. So what I do, I go back and forth a lot. So I'm gonna go back into the color Birch and apply the color again. I don't know if like it's the right thing to do or not, but this works for me. I just like a very seamless blend. And it's such a light blendable shade that I feel like it's perfect. I'm gonna go into the shade Dystopian, I think that's how you pronounce it, and apply it right at the ends and then into my crease. You can do the same look working opposite, going with a darker crease shade and then blending with the lighter shades on top, or go this way. It's honestly personal preference. I like packing the shade more at the ends because that's where you want to smoke it out anyways. And then blending. I do feel a little crazy, so I'm going to go back into the shade Twig and just blend out the darker shade. The trick is you want everything to be seamless. You don't want anything to look harsh. So today to cut my crease, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Vanilla. So what I like doing is just putting a little at the back of my hand, just like that, and using a flat concealer brush, I'm gonna cut my crease. So what I like doing is starting, there's 2 tricks. You can either apply it to your lid and look upwards and see where to end off, or you can just trace a line, which I like doing. Trick is you want to work slow, so I try working as slow as possible, and looking downwards always helps. Honestly, I've struggled with cut creases for a very long time, so trust me, no one's perfect. Work very slow until you're happy with it. Practice makes perfect. After you're happy with how the cut creases look, I'm going to go and set the concealer that I used to cut the crease with the shade Fresh and just pack it on. Now going into the shade Steampunk, I'm going to apply the shimmer shade. So what you want to do is apply and pull down. Press and pull down, you get the most color payoff. Using the same brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Teak and just blend out the shimmer at the end. Where we cut the crease, I just want to apply more of like a gradient. I want like more of a gradient look. And then to blend out where we cut the crease, you're gonna go in with the same shades that were in your crease and just blend it all out. So I will first go in with Birch. Then I'll go into Twig, just like flicking outwards. And then going into Dystopian. Get a big blending brush and then taking the same color that I use in my crease called Birch, I'm just going to blend everything out. So I don't like any harsh lines. I want it very seamless, very blended. What I kind of want to do is smoke it out a little more, so I'm going to go into the color Noir and just apply where I'm going to apply my liner wing. And then we'll blend this out. Now I'm just going to blend upwards. Going into the shade Pearl, I'm going to highlight my tear duct and then my brow bone. If you don't want to use an eyeshadow palette for this, you can even use the highlighter you're using. ColourPop Flexitarian is such a good highlighter for these areas. I love that in my tear duct. Or even Becca Champagne Pop. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner using the Urban Decay Perversion Waterproof Eyeliner in black. So I like doing lining my eye before doing my wing. I love this eyeliner. It is so black, so matte, and it's waterproof. If anyone doesn't like using gel or using like liquid liner and they like using a felt tip, I would highly recommend it. And what I like doing with my eyeliner is pulling it out here. So I'm going to be using the Lancome Cosmetic Monsieur Big Mascara. I love curling my lashes before. I never apply a mascara to my false lashes. I feel like you can reuse them significantly more. So I'm going to be using the Benefit Cosmetics Eye Bright Roller Pencil. I like applying this in layers, so I'll apply it once, let it dry a little, and then go ahead. The lashes, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Noel Faux Mink lashes. They look like this. Okay, so I've applied my lashes, and what I like doing, if I do feel like my natural lashes aren't blending, I'll apply mascara to them, but very lightly, but I feel like it looks fine, feels great. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off my face makeup, and then I'll show you how I blend out the eyeshadow at the bottom. We're going to use the same shades that we used in our crease. So I'm going to go in with a tapered blending brush and go into the shade Birch. Applying the setting powder underneath your eyes actually just helps with the fallout. So your concealer is done and you don't want to have the fallout from the eyeshadow. This is the best thing to do. I am then gonna go into the shade Twig, apply it a little closer. So you can do the same thing here. You can start with the darker shade and then blend to the lighter shade, or start lighter and then blend darker. Now using the back end of my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go into the shade Dystopian, the brown shade, and then darken out underneath my eyes. And now going into the shade Noir, I'm going to take an angled eyeliner brush and just apply it right at the ends, maybe midway. This way you don't really need to like apply a black eyeliner in your eye or apply kajal. You can get away with the nude and your eyes still look bigger. I'm then gonna go into the shade Pearl and just lighten out at the fronts. At this step I typically decide, like, do I need to fix the eyeliner at the front? Do I need to darken out the eyeliner anywhere because you've applied your base? And I actually did a base after my eyes, so there is going to be product that is like on your eyes or your eyeliner which you can just fix after. Like, I don't think anything needs to be like exactly perfect. So I'm just going to go in with the eyeliner and just apply it to the fronts of my eye again. Just very lightly. Make sure my wing is nice and sharp and dark. I'm going to go in with the same mascara and I just apply it to the bottoms. I'm going to finish off my face. I'm going to apply the highlight, reapply a little bit more blush, and then I'll put on my jewelry and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and set my jewelry and applied my lip color. My jewelry is actually from SKG Creations. I love how minimal it is, very light. My outfit is actually from India. And I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. I tried doing it a little different, just showing you just my eyes this time. And if you guys want to see how I got my complexion, don't forget to go to my Instagram. It's actually GlamByGilly, and click the follow button there. And if you guys want to see any other videos like this, please let me know, or let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the comments below. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.